While we celebrate our overnight surgical strike of Uri, we must not forget to celebrate our very first and original surgical strike of Hajipir, which was carried out by our Indian Army in the run of 1965. This Hajipir Pass, which is a mountain pass elevated at the level of 2,640 meters or 8,661 feet above sea level, is currently located in Azad Kashmir of Pakistan. This Hajipir Pass was then the main route for infiltrators to rush into our country. So there were many operations launched at this Hajipir Pass. So among this operation, many of them contributed to final capture of the Hajipir Pass, and there were three main of them: the Sank approach, the Bidori approach, and the Bisali NR0596 approach. These three features led to the final success of Hajipir Pass capture. In the Sank approach, one para, a group of brave men then led by Major Ranjit Singh Dayal, who volunteered himself to be the leader, started the attack on the Sank feature on 26th and 27th of August of 1965. This approach had a steep climb. With heavy rainfall, it was even more hard to climb, but the men pressed on relentlessly. As for them, it was a battle against time. They had to reach the top before the first light. They had to reach before the early sunrise. So they tried harder, and they finally did reach the peak at 4 a.m. the next day. The enemies were surprised. They fled in panic, leaving all their weapons to our soldiers. With this great grand success, the men of one para continued their next approach for the Sar feature. The Sar feature was captured within few hours, and the battalion added a new Laliwali Gully to their list of successfully captured places. After this great success, Major Ranjit Singh Dayal, the man of the operation, then asked permission to capture the Hajipir Pass. The permission was granted soon, and the men began to march towards the next goal. To capture Hajipir Pass, they had to again climb a steep of 4,000 feet with heavy rain again, and this time they didn't have proper food and water and were physically exhausted. Despite this physical exhaustion, the men tried to climb the steep. They crawled their way up, and they did finally reach the peak, and enemies were again surprised, and they fled again, and the men captured the area, and this Hajipir Pass was in our hands. The enemy then suddenly returned and tried to recapture the area, as it was so important to them, but it finally failed. And to finally consolidate the position, the men of one para captured the ring contour with it. So Hajipir Pass was finally under the control of our India. So the Major Ranjit Singh Dayal, who was the hero of this operation, was then awarded with the second highest military award of Mahavir Chakra by then President Dr. Radhakrishnan. He had showed brilliance and had led his men very well to capture this Hajipir, and the battalion was also praised. Despite Hajipir Pass later being returned to Pakistan in the form of a treaty, this brave memory still evokes pride and praise in us towards our Indian Army. Thank you. Jai Hind.